Imagine this. What if you could keep your money in your pocket for a whole month and still live comfortably? No more impulse buys. No more guilt over shopping sprees. Sounds impossible? Stick around, because today, I'm going to share 15 powerful tips for making a no-spend month your reality without feeling deprived. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck or simply want to challenge yourself to save more, a no-spend month could be the perfect way to reset your finances. But it's not about denying yourself everything, it's about smart choices. So, let's dive into 15 tips that'll help you succeed in a no-spend month. And trust me, it's going to be easier than you think. Tip number 1. Plan ahead. The key to a successful no-spend month is preparation. Know when you'll start, and plan out your meals, activities, and even fun, low-cost hobbies for the month. By planning your meals and shopping trips in advance, you can avoid those "oh, I forgot" moments that lead to unnecessary spending. Set clear boundaries for yourself. Make a list of what you can spend on like essentials and what you absolutely can't. For example, no dining out, no shopping for clothes, or maybe even no subscriptions this month. The clearer your boundaries, the easier it will be to say no when temptation strikes. Remove temptations from your environment. This could mean deleting shopping apps or unsubscribing from tempting email lists. Out of sight, out of mind. The less you see ads or products, the less you'll feel the urge to buy. Use what you already have, whether it's food, clothes, or even household items. Get creative with what you own. Instead of buying new, find ways to use up what's in your pantry. Recycle old clothes, or fix broken items rather than replacing them. Meal prepping is a game changer. By preparing meals in bulk, you'll save time and money. Plus, it reduces the temptation to grab takeout or fast food. Keep things simple and healthy by cooking what's on sale or what you already have at home. Keep a spending journal. Every time you're tempted to spend, jot it down. It helps you stay accountable and spot patterns in your spending habits. Seeing those numbers can really make you think twice. Take advantage of free activities. Explore your local parks. Visit museums, many have free days. Or have a cozy night with friends playing board games. There's so much fun to be had without opening your wallet. Instead of buying new things, borrow what you need. Whether it's books, tools, or even clothes for a special event. Your community is full of people willing to share. You don't need to own everything. Track your progress. Set a budget for the month and update it every week. Seeing how much you've saved and how far you've come is incredibly motivating. Get creative when it comes to gifting. Instead of buying presents, try making something personal, a homemade treat,